no process. Okay, you guys, your law expert of the United Nations, come here. Come here and face me and make the accusations. And I will show you the statistics. I will hold your finger and teach you how to count. If you cannot do that, be prepared to answer for my questions. And it will really be a sad story for both of us. You do not publish there with the NGOs about killing. You are publishing the side of the criminal. How about now publishing the side of government protecting people or preventing the killing of people, innocent victims? My job, ladies and gentlemen, and of the United Nations, my job as president is to protect the innocent.